Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Let's go! You're cooking with Nana, a new chef. Quickie meals and recipes, a true chef. Leave a comment, subscribe, and hit the like. Welcome to a real food channel with real insight. Tell a friend to tell a friend, and whoever left. You're cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make the perfect white rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are water, olive oil, and long grain white rice. Okay guys, we need 2 cups of water, 2 cups of long grain white rice, 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Everything is equal parts. Now you want to wash your rice until the water runs clear. Next we're going to get a pot and we're going to put our olive oil in. And you're also going to put your water in. We're going to let that come to a boil. Once that comes to a boil, we're going to add in our white rice. Now you want to just go ahead and mix the rice in. Now we're going to let that boil until most of the water is evaporated. Okay, you can go in and move it around some. We're going to let the water cook out some more. Okay guys, now that the water has almost evaporated, we're going to turn our heat down to low, the very lowest setting you have. We're going to cover it with a piece of aluminum foil. Then we're going to put our lid on top. It's very important not to remove the lid at all. So we're going to let this cook for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay guys, so 30 minutes is up. Just going to fold in our aluminum foil, cut off the heat, and remove our top. As you can see, everything is nice and cooked, and it's nice and fluffy. Oops. Sorry about that. Okay guys, so that was my way of making perfect white rice every time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.